In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PayPal link for payment. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your personal payment link inside PayPal and how to share it safely with anyone who needs to pay you. First, open PayPal in your web browser and sign in to your account so you land on the account summary page. This is your main dashboard, where you can see balances, recent activity, and quick shortcuts. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. It's a simple precaution that helps keep your information safe. On the summary page, look for the area that highlights your recent payments and shortcuts, including a section labeled Send Again. Right beside that label, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open a quick menu. This menu gives you helpful shortcuts related to sending and managing who you pay or receive money from, which is why it's the fastest route to the link you're after. From that menu, choose Manage Contacts. This takes you to a page that organizes people and businesses you've interacted with. More importantly, it's also where PayPal places the option that lets you share a direct payment link with others, so you don't have to manually request money each time. On the Contacts page, look for the section labeled Share Your Link to Get Paid. This is PayPal's built-in way to generate a personal link tied to your account. When someone opens that link, they're taken to a secure PayPal page where they can send money to you without needing your email or phone number. It's convenient, reduces mistakes, and keeps sensitive details private. Once you see your link, simply copy it. You can now share it wherever it makes sense. Paste it into an email, drop it into a chat, send it via text, or include it on invoices and profiles. A quick tip: add a short, clear message when you share the link, such as the purpose and amount due, so the payer knows exactly what to do when they open it. Also, avoid posting the link publicly unless you're comfortable receiving payments from anyone who sees it. For one-to-one requests, share it directly with the intended person. That's it. Open PayPal, use the 3-dot menu to access Manage Contacts, go to Share Your Link to Get Paid, and then share your personal link. It's simple, repeatable, and secure. If you don't see the option, account types and regional availability can vary, so try the desktop site and ensure your account is fully set up.